In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post in the Meta Business Suite. By the end, you'll know exactly how to craft a post, choose where it goes, add media, and either publish it right away or schedule it for later, all in one place. First, head to Meta Business Suite in your browser and sign into the account that manages your business assets. Make sure you have the right permissions for the page and Instagram account you want to use. Once the dashboard loads, look for the option to create a post. This opens the Composer, where you'll build everything in a single workspace. At the top of the Composer, use the Post to menu to choose your destinations. You can select your Facebook page, your Instagram account, or both. Think about your goal here. If you're posting to both, aim for a caption that works on each platform. For example, links are clickable on Facebook, but not on Instagram, so keep that in mind as you write. If you want to share an image, choose Add Photo and pick a high-quality picture from your computer. Square or vertical images tend to perform well, especially on Instagram. Make sure your file is clear and on brand. If you prefer video, click Add Video and upload your clip. Keep it concise, front-load the important moments, and choose a compelling thumbnail if prompted so it looks great in the feed. Next, click into the text field and add your caption. Lead with a strong first sentence, since that's what people see before expanding the post. Keep it clear and action-oriented. Include relevant hashtags for discoverability and avoid overloading the text. If you're posting to both Facebook and Instagram, write a caption that reads naturally on each. For example, don't rely on a long URL if Instagram is selected. If you want the post to go live later, turn on the Set Date and Time option. Pick the date and time that suits your audience, and double-check the time zone shown in your account. This is a great way to line up content for peak hours or to fill your content calendar without needing to be online. When everything looks good, finalize it. If you scheduled a time, click Schedule to lock it in. If you decide to publish immediately instead, turn off the scheduling toggle and click Publish. Take a moment to review the preview before confirming, especially if you're posting to both platforms, to ensure your media and caption display correctly. That's it. Your post is created, targeted to the right platforms, and either published or scheduled with confidence.